Welcome to this channel, traders. As usual, I'm going to pick a few trades here. Okay, let me refresh. I'm going to pick a few trades here and explain how I took those trades so that you can also catch the strategy. Okay, let me check the history. This is today. Okay, so that you can also catch the strategy and use it for yourself. But before that, today I just want to take a minute or two and explain or talk about the two best prop firms. Okay, I'm getting used to trading these big accounts. I think it's far better. Okay, as you can see that it makes you to get bigger profits than usual. So if you are interested in this, I just want to explain the two prop firms that I think are the best for 2024. And please, I'm not trying to give you some financial advice or tell you what to do. Remember that Forex is very risky. There's very high chance that you lose everything. At number 2, I have TenTrade. TenTrade is a broker, but it provides prop firm services. And in their prop firm services, what is very special about them is their low cost. Okay, so TenTrade, I can say that it is good for beginners. If you want to get a funded account or a challenge account at a low cost, you can check on this prop firm. You can see that for $29 you can get a 3,000 challenge account. Otherwise, the rest of the stuff is just normal row spreads. Okay, profit target is 10%. It's normal with other prop firms. Okay, so for them it's just the low cost on their challenge accounts. Okay, so at number one I have the Forex Fund. Okay, I created this account just to show you around. Otherwise, this is not my account or the account that I trade. So on the Forex Fund, what makes them special is their payout. Okay, so they have, in my opinion, the highest payout that I have ever seen on their funded accounts. Their payout is 95%. It's almost like owning everything. Once you have the funded account, it's like all the profit is yours. Okay, the profit target is also 10%. So once you grow this challenge account by 10%, you get the live account and then you start making those profits. Another thing that makes this one special is the free trial account. So you have a free trial account. In fact, you have two free trial accounts every month to test your strategy if it is going to work should you buy their challenge account. And another thing, their updates or their customer service is very good. Whatever you do, you get a notification by email. You buy an account, or whether you are trading, if you have breached the account, if you have passed the account, you get instant notifications via emails. And also when you trade, everything is so transparent. Okay, I've been putting random trades here to just have some information to show you what I am talking about. Okay, so for what I did right here, you can check on the graph your progress. As you can see that it's in progress, your equity, your profit, the trades you have placed, they all appear on this list. Okay, whatever you do is so transparent. So you can just come here and test your strategy on the free account. Okay, you have a free trial account. Try your strategy. You never know what's going to work for you. Maybe you are going to be good at passing these things, and then you are going to buy the challenge account and start making some money. Okay, for today, maybe let's start with Euro NZD right there at the bottom. So for Euro NZD, is this Euro NZD? Let's start with GBPJPY. because I already have it on the screen, so it's at the top. I took a sell and it's in profit. You know, these drawings, I did them on the previous video when I was explaining, okay, and price is just doing what I have shown you. Notice that for other traders, after drawing these two trend lines or identifying this bearish channel, they would think that this is a bullish breakout. But then remember what I always tell you, that you focus on this turning point that is touching the trend line, and then you mark it, and until price closes above it, it is not a breakout. It is not a breakout. So right here, you are still looking to sell, as I have taken a sell trade. So you are still looking to sell. Don't be confused. Maybe let me just say it again so that it sinks. The first thing, you identify the channel, okay? You go through the time frames and see a time frame that is going to give you the channel. You mark the channel, okay? And then the second thing, you identify the breakout, okay? So this was the breakout. And then the third thing, you verify the breakout. You want to make sure that this is a real breakout, and then you verify that by looking at the previous turning point that is touching the trend line. In our case, it was this turning point. You mark it like that as a key level, and until price closes above it, it is not a breakout. You are still looking to sell. You are still looking to sell. So you can see that it's still selling. Okay, let's just take GBP or USDJPY. Okay, it's a buy. I'm going to end with that one. USDJPY. Okay, let's do this. Remember, traders, you start by going through all the time frames, starting from the daily if you are trading a big account. Otherwise, if you are trading a small account, you start from the 4-hour maybe. Okay, so I'm going to start from the 4-hour and check for a zigzag. I can't really remember where I took the trade. Okay, it was here. It was here. Notice this downward channel. Once you have 3 touches, just know that it is a valid trend line. Okay, there was a touch there, there was a touch there, there was a touch there, and then there was a touch also up there. So it's a valid trend line. The other one, okay, you mark it like that. There was a turning point there, turning point there, a turning point there. Okay, so right now you know that if price is on this trend line, you want to buy. If it is there, you want to sell until there is a breakout of these two trend lines. Okay, so right there, after doing those markings, I actually took a buy trade. Was it somewhere there? Okay, so let's take it to the smaller time frames, the 15-minute time frame. Remember that you are already looking to buy because price is from here. Okay, so after marking that trend line, you can tell that every time price is here, you buy, you buy, you buy. That's what trading is all about. Identifying a pattern and then taking an advantage of that. Taking an advantage of that. So whenever price comes to the trend line, you just buy. Okay, you just buy. Of course, you can't be 100%, but you are going to win most of the trades, guaranteed. Traders, thank you for watching this channel. See you on my next video.